Hi guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today I'll talk about CoQ10 and how it improves your heart health. So I have talked about CoQ10 in the past, its mechanism of action and overall benefits, but today we'll discuss more about how it improves your heart health. CoQ10 is an antioxidant found naturally in our body with a higher concentration in heart. CoQ10 has shown to improve the symptoms of congestive heart failure. It also improves the blood pressure and blood sugar level, which in turn improves the heart health. Being a very strong antioxidant, it helps neutralize free radical and lowers inflammation in arteries, which helps protect cell damage and improves plaque buildup in clogged arteries. Thus, it helps improve blood flow in patients with the history of atherosclerosis, and it also aids in recovery in people who have had bypass surgery or heart valve surgery or any other major cardiac surgery. So CoQ10 is a very good antioxidant supplement that has shown a lot of good benefits on heart health.